Welcome back, everybody, to a brand new video. Here with your co-host, Haas.
What's good?
And Ascended Weaves, aka Berg. Make sure you guys go check out Haas 420 and Ascended Weaves on the come up with an anime channel. So go show some love. You already know. Happy Halloween, everybody.
Oh damn, my boy just puffing on one. Hear my drink?
Look at my lips.
Look. Oh, you too? Oh! Alright, let's get it.
It tastes like kind of like fart, but
cheers.
Fuck it, though. Cheers,
It's
guys.
fucking how long?
Cheers.
Huh? His?
It's even like kind of slanted a little, huh?
See, that's gonna be a small joint. That shit's fucking regular size.
Cheers.
All right, hold on. Let's get it.
Oh shit.
Shit works.
Bro,
Oh.
nothing
Happy
ever
Halloween,
goes
everybody.
right, but this went right. Not left. Here, Berg, you want it?
Hit that shit, Lazy. Lazy. And we got a little design too. My boy smoking out of his nose.
Well, we just got that teardrop.
Oh, and it's
And his ass
colored
boop.
in too. It's colored in, but you drop.
Yep, you lost him. Oh yeah, you're right.
My boy just had it lit and just out here taking hits from his fucking left nostril. Or his left nostril, yep. Straight to the brain.
And you're getting straight mochos.
Ooh. They want to shout yourself out, Berg?
No, I'm cool. We got it in the beginning.
Everybody go follow Berg. Ascended Weaves.
What are you guys gonna be dressing up as Halloween? And what are you guys gonna be doing today? Damn. This is kind of nice. We're thinking about getting a bib cup.
A bit.
A bib.
Damn, this tastes absolutely incredible.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, it tastes way better smoking out of this pumpkin than actually from
Smoking
taking
that
a hit.
joint?
Yeah, watch. Let's see right now.
Damn, so I mixed some gelato 33 in here with some Girl Scout cookies.
wanna try
Or
this
some
one?
blue
What's
cookies,
up?
sorry. Not Girl Scout, blue cookie.
I got some Captain Crunch berries in here. What do you got back there, Berg? Water?
Got some water.
Nice, stay hydrated. Always.
Vitamins.
Stay away from smoke. Berg.
Water in Vietnam. Vietnam.
Water,
Oh, this is nice. Oh, you just straight got boo. It's nice.
Damn, this is nice.
Ooh, hell,
That
this
tastes
shit-
hella good.
Shit's exotic. We got some exotic.
Ooh, there's some exotic too. Cheers.
Shut the already lit.
I think so, huh?
Contact high.
About to do that.
I'm still recording. What up?
Yeah, I should have made like a gravity bong out of fucking a pumpkin.
Oh, that'd be. I don't think it works.
But I think you have to put like a towel on like your shoulders or something, just so the smoke won't.
Fuck.
Like
Yeah.
like that, tied up.
We can get this.
Oh yep. That works.
Holy shit. This thing be ripped. Shout out. In the
Shout
cut
out
fam,
Ripton.
everybody take a hit.
Hey everybody,
Shout out
double
Ripton.
hit this. Oh, that shit looks like a
Holes can
blow.
lip it too. No one can lip it.
Yep, no one
Sure.
can lip it.
Yeah. You see the smoke just pouring out of here. Look, what the like a little like like a cream pie. Wow. Oh, that's
This
exotic.
tastes great.
That's exotic. Make sure you guys go subscribe to InTheCut Gaming, InTheCut TV. Woo! And once again, happy Halloween. Woo. Make sure you guys stay safe because Miss Rona's still out there. Just because, you know, they're not talking about it on the news all crazy. That shit, the cases, everything's still going up. So make sure you guys stay safe. Wash your hands. Shit. This shit is gas, bro. What the fuck?
Damn, I got a fucking perfect ass mask that would have matches. It's like the X one, like the light up one.
This shit red, huh?
Ripped and straight ripped.
Out of a little pumpkin.
I'm taking my talents to these university.
Oh, MKU.
Yeah, what is that, the
hella
10th?
weird.
The 20-second hit?
The 31-second hit?
Nice. Straight ripped in.
Ripped in California.
I forgot tomorrow's Halloween. Or today's Halloween.
Tomorrow.
Today.
Today?
Today.
30th? Isn't it the 31st?
It's the 31st.
Today's the 30th.
We're in the future.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah. Like in the Oh fuck! I was thinking. I was like, wait, it's Halloween Eve. Oh no, it is Halloween.
Damn, that should have
Yeah, what's good?
mask.
We're recording this Halloween Eve, but it's up on Halloween. So right now, as we speak, it's Halloween.
What?
Damn.
Man, we just teleported.
Just
Because we knew everything.
It's quantum physics.
Quantanium physics. Ooh, scantanium physics.
Like that, the scant physics.
You have the lip?
I'll be frozen in time.
What's the hottest anime right now?
Right now it's Jujutsu Kaisen.
Jujutsu
I
guys.
still haven't hopped on. I gotta hop on.
Ooh.
Got a high school, Jujutsu Kaisen.
Remember, it's
Tip of my
Cobra
wing.
Kai. It's Cobra Kai.
That's a tutorial how to eat food.
Those are fresh.
Actually, she won it because it's free promotion.
Yeah. If anything, a lot of OnlyFans chicks would probably want to be on InTheCut. That'd be sick, huh? We have like a
OnlyFans.
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 We gotta make a website huh, called OnlyFans.com.
You just fund.
I don't know how you smoke this shit and stay like functioning, bro.
I'm fucking
This shit
loaded.
is hella powerful.
Yeah, I just.
Who, me?
No, I mean
Yeah,
this joint.
crazy.
This joint is like. This
Yeah.
joint right here is the Gelato 33 you said, and you threw what in there?
Cookies? The blue cookies?
Bro, I took like at least a couple hits, and I'm like,
Fucking loaded.
this one makes
Bro, I
a
was just
difference.
puffing on that shit like
I'm
crazy.
out covering the hole as hard as I can.
No smoke goes out of you.
I wonder if the oxygen just kill it without oxygen.
Damn, I ran 2 miles today.
The oxygen's
Fucking-
on top, just getting blown.
Here, let me tell you guys how this shit tastes. You don't taste the pumpkin at all.
The weed takes over it.
Yeah.
Crazy.
That's the whole point, right?
Fuck yeah.
Let us know if you would do something like this
Mine
down in the
doesn't.
comments.
It's just nice because if you get a big one, you gotta get hella fucking joints, and you probably gotta take a fat ass.
For a
breath.
big one, I would have put
Fat-ass breath,
I would have
like-
put water in there. I would have put water in there,
Oh.
and I would have put my
Make it into a
down
bomb.
stem. My down stem.
Didn't he say something about a gravity ball?
Yeah. Pumpkin
Fuck,
gravity
I'm trying to
bomb.
see.
I would slice this off somehow.
Fucking lit.
Make a tube.
I think you probably got a little lit, Bert, with this little.
Oh, yeah, no,
little
I'm
this
feeling
shit.
Feeling
Yeah.
lit.
Nice, relax.
Here, let
Technically,
me-
you're not smoking, but
Here, let me blow it at your face.
A little head change. That what I cannot breathe, dude. Start tripping out.
one time we got a sesh and we had a boy where it was like one of his first time smoking. And we're crossing the bridge and my boy did not let go of the rail because he was like, dude, if I let go, I'm gonna fly out.
That shit was funny.
I think I'm flying.
He's like, bro, I'm gonna fly. Like the wind was gonna just swoop him off his feet.
How does that work? That's a
So funny.
You're just so
But,
high, bro. You
good
feel
times though.
like-
Everybody had a high moment. Happy Halloween. Me rocking my quote unquote construction sweater.
I think I swallowed a seed.
Swear.
Nice.
I mean, it's pumpkin seed. It's not bad for you, but
Dang, you about to turn into a pumpkin,
Yeah,
bro.
you about to
Bro, a
birth a
pumpkin
pumpkin.
is gonna grow in you.
I mean that's why you used to call me freshman year. Hey, pumpkin. 'Cause I used to wear the freaking orange sweater.
The fucking giant sweater.
Trash.
They used to call me Yordi.
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 El niño polla.
Jordi Alvarez.
They used to call me Yordi.
El
Especially
niño
some
They
polla.
still
name,
do, but
Jordi.
shit. With this pandemic, I'm just on the left. Yeah, that shit is ripping. Ripping.
Damn, what's good with everybody? How y'all been, bro? What are you guys doing for this Halloween? You know, we really want to know.
Do I consider Halloween a holiday?
Nope. Now I just want to give out candy.
Pedophile.
I love that. You fucking weirdo.
Come in my truck. You're just in a truck. You're in a truck.
Not like that. Like at my house, you know, like for the kids.
I don't think with the pandemic, I don't think anyone's trick-or-treating.
Yeah, I don't. People are still gonna party though, animals, but I don't know.
I think the clubs are opening up.
They're opening up.
And then for the adults, I'm just slide them a Modelo, you know. Just,
For the parents, like, yeah, bro.
Yeah.
And if they're MILFs,
Ooh.
boom.
For them, I'm gonna slide in my DMs. Just
You're
hit.
gonna slide in your own DMs?
Yep. Nah, for them I'm a son.
You measure yourself?
I meant that backwards, fuck.
With hay with 3 Y's? Like, oh shit.
Hey, big head. Scored.
Hey,
Fuck,
big head.
I scored. Haven't heard that one in a minute.
Hey, big head.
Hey, big head.
Fuck the pumpkin teeth trying to come back
Yeah,
up.
got another seat in you.
I'm tripping. I'm like, bro, why is there spider web coming out of my head? It's the smoke. Look at it, it's just leaking out. You see that? What the fuck?
You tripping?
It's a spider.
Yeah, look
my
at it. And I was
pumpkin.
like, why is there spider webs in there? I was like, that spider's hella lit. Damn, I should have done the Edgar.
I should give him a cut.
Edgar.
Give him a little more.
I got an idea. I'm saying, right there, you got it.
Fresh ass
Give him
one.
an Edgar.
Bowl haircut.
Just like an Edgar.
Edgar.
Just like that. This one. Shit. La barba. What about the? This fool just got a cool little small cut. Nothing too major. Just got always fresh with the with the ultra
You still
Damn.
choking on that damn seat?
Yeah, bro.
with the ultra high fade. Fuck it.
I got that fucking military haircut.
Oh, my boy got the earrings too. You know he gotta get the earrings.
Oh, I forgot about the earrings. Then we're just getting hella lit. Decorating.
Does that look like an ear?
Oh,
fuck is that?
oh, it looks like. Yeah, it kind of looks like an ear.
So my boy got the fucking. He got the hoop. He got the hoop
Got the
earring right
hoop.
there. Look at that. This is arts and craft. Does that look like an ear? Hell yeah. Look at that shit.
That's a big ass ear.
Yeah.
Combo, fool. Yeah, that's cool.
Draw. Oh shit.
You gotta cover the
draw
ear.
hands on him. Draw hands. So this is the left. So the left has a thumb on the right here. So I'm gonna go up. Oh fuck.
Purple metal?
What is this?
Metal of
Yes,
honor?
4-pack in the hand.
Let me see.
Fire.
Look at this one.
Wait, he was in the military with teardrop. Interesting.
Damn. He lost one of his boys, you know.
Yeah.
Boo. You wanna hit this? God, I'm stupid high off this.
Yeah. You need the cool down joint.
Yeah, I need weed to cool down with this one.
Yeah, you need your kill to go there.
Bro, when I hit this one, I was getting hella lit. And then I hit that one, and then I got like, you gotta smoke to calm down. Every fucking hit is just an exotic.
Some Joe Exotic.
Like through.
Special guest on special guest.
Special guest on top of special guest.
Oh, what's up?
Little pumpkin scenery.
Hell yeah. Get in the fucking mood. Hey, it's literally like a pipe.
We're just like, damn, special guest on top of special guest. Shout out. You
There.
already know. Shout out to the cat. What do you think about that? It's just fire or what?
Yep.
You can't even taste the pumpkin
I'm
now.
hella lit actually.
Not really, honestly. Y'all finna chill tonight or what?
I'm down.
Anything, bro. I got work tomorrow, but I'm down for something light. Yeah,
I'm off today.
but this was trees like fucking
Loud?
hella power. Yeah, that shit's so
Is it
loud.
loud?
It's loud. It's been a minute since I smoked loud weed like that.
Well, it's the tree. It's from the tree. It's from the club, no?
Yeah, it's that.
Yeah, I'm off tomorrow, so I'm
It's
like,
so.
The club
With
tree's
it.
hella loud.
Yeah.
I'm with it if you with it.
All right, y'all. Make sure y'all drop a like, comment, subscribe. You already know what's good.